How to attempt descriptive papers in CA Foundation. At the CA Foundation level, there are two descriptive papers. Paper 1, Principles and Practice of Accounting, that is accounting, and Paper 2, Business Laws and Business Correspondence and Reporting, that is law and BCR. Common tips: read the question twice, attempt the questions requiring distinguish between, as there are chances of full marks in such questions. Use short forms in the answer only when you have used its full form in that answer initially. Avoid cutting and keep your answer sheet neat and clean with proper spacing. Before the main exam, you should solve at least 2 past year papers and latest MTP to learn time management. While starting any answer, write answer to question number at the top of the answer. Start the answer of each part of every question from a new page. Use black ball pen. Tips for CA Foundation Paper 1 Accounting. Show proper working notes. Use scale to draw lines. Write debit and credit on the top left and top right side of each account. Draw double lines while totaling a ledger. On the top of any account or statement, write the name of the organization as given in the question in this format. In the books of, though it is a part of a good presentation, it doesn't carry any marks. In true false, answer on the following lines. If the answer is true, explain the given statement in 3 to 4 lines. If the answer is false, explain the true statement. Tips for CA Foundation Paper 2 Law and BCR. Write section numbers only when you are sure about it. Use the full name of the respective acts with their years in the provisions. Try to use the language of law to give correct interpretation of your answer. Give examples to explain your answer wherever necessary. Draw flowcharts wherever needed. Write your answers point-wise and avoid using paragraphs. In case study questions, follow this format to present the answer. Applicable provisions, reference case if any, facts of the instant case, and analysis and conclusion. In BCR writing section, attempt answers in the prescribed format. Use proper flowcharts, diagrams, and pointers in answers related to communication. Combination of hard work and smart work will lead to success. All the best.